Yeah.
How far you guys coming from?
Mount Vernon.
Oh, my neighborhood.
Sorry, can I order something else too?
Sure.
Can I get two more? Can I get two more orders of curly fries?
So here we go. I'm gonna try. So I think I'm gonna get.
I don't know if it's gonna hit the $10.
So Michael, what did you order?
I ordered the bacon, black and blue, and the dog bun.
Thank you.
I got the bacon, black and blue, and the dog bun, guys.
But we be from Mount Vernon, man.
I know, and I met him before.
Yeah. I had a lady over here that went to school with him. Yeah, she was really nice. Trish. I remember her last name. She told me. There's a lot of famous people that came from Mount Vernon. Man.
Yeah.
A lot of players, athletes. You know?
MVP, Denzel, Captain Lou Albano.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, they got.
I'll be sure.
Was I'll be sure? Really? Oh man.
I will take.
I mean, I like his Night and Day song. That got me mad girls when I was young, bro. You know, that and Houdini's One Love. That got me mad honey, bro.
I will take. What was that? Bernie Mac? Bernie Mac. Yeah, the Bernie Mac and cheese. I'll take that.
My dog never liked him, man. I don't know why. I asked him, yo, you don't like I'll be sure? He's like, no, man. My boy's funny. He's almost like Michael Blackson. You know Michael Blackson, the comedian?
Yeah.
He's like, I don't trust light skin dudes. I'm like, yo, the dude got no chill. He's funny as hell, bro.
He's on SNL, right?
Is he?
I think he is.
Maybe. I don't watch that show, to be honest with you.
And that's right. Somebody told me about it, so I can't remember what it was.
Well, Michael Blackson, he's from Ghana. He was in that, what was it, that Friday movie. Yeah.
No, Michael Blackson, he got his other claim of fame on Wild 'N Out. There we go.
Yeah, he's funny too, man. My boy funnier than him. Funny, bro. Yeah, he's funny. He doesn't play like... Michael Blackson plays the African skit, right?
Yeah.
My boy's just straight up African New York skit. You know?
And I'll take the Weird Al.
Good choice, bro.
I'm gonna try the Weird Al.
Even though my favorite is still the Bernie Mac, bro. That thing is fire, bro.
Don't want to fry.
That's really fine. And cheese, that's what makes it really cool.
Yeah.
All together, right?
So we're separate.
So, you want anything to drink, bud?
Yeah, just a bottle of water.
So I got,
For you?
and I'll take a root beer. So I got this one, guys.
You guys are eating here to go?
Steak.
To stay? Cool.
And I got the Bernie Mac. So yeah.
Your total came out to $14.50, buddy.
So here we go.
Oh, gee.
Okay, huh? And yours came out to 16, buddy.
Thank you.
You can go, guys. Grab a drink and come tomorrow. I'll bring it out to you, alright?
Yep.
Don't forget your beverage goods.
Thank you. Here we go. Alright guys, so Malcolm and I have ordered and we're just waiting now to get our orders. So I ordered a hot dog, because this is a hot dog place, guys. It's in White Plains, New York. That's like 40 miles from Mount Vernon, New York. And we're like right at near the train station, the Metro North, you can see it right there. So we're here and both Malcolm and I actually work up here, so it's actually kind of funny. Malcolm works over on that side. That's where the College of Westchester is, and I work more on the other side near the mall area over there. So, but this is a dog place, and we've been trying to get up. Malcolm been trying to get me up here for a while. So just here we are now, and I ordered something called the Bernie Mac with cheese, which is a hot dog with mac and cheese and bacon, right? It's got bacon in it, right? And the other one is a Weird Al. You don't have to Weird Al Yankovic. So I'm gonna try this. I haven't really this should be fun. So when it comes out, we'll show you. Alright guys, so there are the hot dogs right there. So that's Malcolm's right there. What's that one, Mom?
That's the Weird Al. I mean, not the Weird Al. That's the bacon black and blue.
Okay.
Alright, there you go, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Right.
And which one is this?
That's the dog though.
Okay. So I'm gonna film Malcolm first.
No, you're the guest. I'm treating you, the dog then.
Well, you didn't. Okay, so I think I will start. They look good though, I ain't gonna lie. I'll start with this one. We're gonna start with this one first, guys.
Mac and cheese
It's the Bernie Mac and cheese, alright? So we got the hot dog mixed with wrapped in bacon. There's bacon on top. And cheese. And more cheese. Okay, here we go. Okay. Alright, here we go, guys. I'm gonna try to get as much as everything in there. So, here we go. Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
That was damn good. I like that a lot. That is real good. The hot dog's nice. The bacon wrapped around the hot dog's nice. The cheese, as well as the bacon bits, is really good. This is real good. Okay. That is real good. Definitely something to try. All right, here, we're gonna try Malcolm now. Good. So what's all in that, Mom?
Caramel onions, blue cheese crumbs, and bacon. There's a moment. I have a dog down. I just ate, man.
So when we move on to the next album, okay, so finished the first one, the Bernie Mac and cheese, which was divine. It was really good, guys. If you are ever up in the Westchester County area of White Plains, this is a place, and you love hot dogs and different variations of hot dogs, just not your standard stuff, definitely try this place. The Bernie Mac and cheese was really good. It was, like I said, it was hot dog wrapped in bacon with cheese, like cheddar cheese, bacon bits, and mac and cheese in it. It was really good. Next on the list is this bad boy right here, which is called the Weird Al. Named after who? Weird Al Yankovic. So basically, as you can see, it has, is once again another, excuse me, a hot dog wrapped in bacon. It's got curly fries on it. Bacon. And I think there's chorizo or something. Scallions, thank you. Scallions as well on it. So I'm gonna try this one.
Chorizo is just a hot dog.
So we're gonna try this one right now as well. Here we go. I hear Metallica playing in the back. So, all right, here we go. So I'm gonna try once again. Try to get everything in there. So the Weird Al. Here it is. Okay, good. I got a breakthrough. And first of all, applaud them as well for the potato buns. You can't go wrong with potato buns, and that's on burgers or fries and hot dogs. So here we go. That's nacho cheese. That's nice. Oh, that's good. Yeah, guys, we're next to a train station, so yeah. Sorry, talking food in my mouth, but once again, applaud them for the hot dog. The hot dog is just juicy. The curly fries, I always dig a good curly fries. And the nacho spread cheese is actually really good. It's got a little kick to it, like most nacho cheese have, but it works, along with the bacon bits as well. Scallions are okay. I really don't care too much about scallions, but other than that, this was really good. I'm glad I got this. Really good I got this. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna finish this. But yeah, like I said, everything worked out perfectly. It melds so well together. You think it'd be kind of bad that you got nacho cheese, but if you're into like chili dogs and stuff like that, yeah, it's fine. It's really fine. And I never thought I'd, put, like curly fries on my hot dogs, but it works. It actually works. Thumbs up for the Weird Al, definitely. Thumbs up. Okay, Malcolm is gonna try the, what is it?
This is the Tutelier dog den.
The dog den. So as you can see, it's got, once again, what is that, blue cheese?
Blue cheese crumbs, chipotle mayo, and bacon bits.
Bacon bits. This is the first time you having this one, right? All right.
And it's named after the place, so it can't go wrong.
Here we go. Thumbs up.
There's nacho beans in it.
It's got beans in it?
Got chili beans in it.
All right. All right. So, I'm enjoying the Weird Al. This is my first time having this bad boy. Malcolm is enjoying
First time having a dog den first.
Yeah. And Malcolm is enjoying, Malcolm's been here more than me. Okay. So,
I'm on a mission.
yeah.
I'm getting my name on the plaque.
Tell them about that. What's that?
You have 40 different hot dogs, and you mark them and date them when you have them, and you distribute them, you get your name on the plaque. I'm getting that.
You hear that? So, everybody, if you've never been to the dog den, I do recommend it. Very much recommend it, guys. This is it. It's not big. It's not really big. It's like a real sided, and as you can see, you get a look. It's there. Oh, you probably can't see it, but guys, that's, if you get a good look, yeah, White Plains. I can't get it. There you go. And White Plains, New York. And thank you guys once again. this was another adventure, another try adventure for this time me and Malcolm. If you guys would want us to do any more, we actually, let me rephrase that, because we were going to do another one. We were gonna go down in the city before all this happened. We were in New York City and we were gonna go to the Nugget spot, a nice cool place that does all different kinds of nuggets. They bread it differently, everything like that. And then it closed down for renovation. And then this happened, and we were like, okay, we'll go back another time. And when all this happened, they're closing down now.
Well, that site.
Yeah, that site is closing down. The one in New York is closing down. So this is a kind of an alternative. So another try video for us. But I do recommend, if you're in the New York area or you're ever in the Westchester County area, definitely come up here to the dog den and check it out for yourself. You won't be disappointed. The combinations may kind of throw you off a little bit, but don't be afraid to try it because it works. You know, like I said, I would not put chili fries and all this on my hot dog, but it worked. It really works. And like I said, Malcolm's enjoying that. Look at that. And he's on a mission, you know, so do yourself a favor, guys. Outside of that, you guys take care, stay safe, stay positive as always, and me and Malcolm are gonna finish these, and yeah.
No diggity, no doubt.
Later, dudes.